So let's say what you want to do is you want to go ahead and create out some quiz questions, or let's say fill in the blanks or different type of question based on a certain content. So to do that, you can go ahead and upload out a document and then tell it to make questions on the basis of it. So I can go ahead and click on the plus button and add, let's say for example, a file that I have. So I have this document on placebo effect that I'm going to go ahead and give right here. So now I can simply go ahead and say this: based on the document that I have uploaded, generate 10 MCQ questions, let's say 10 fill in the blanks questions, and 5 match the following questions, and I'm going to say 5 short answer questions and 5 long answer questions. So you can go ahead and simply tell it to generate out the question. So I've just given this document and I have this prompt. So if I were to go ahead and hit send, it'll go ahead and read out this particular document, as you can see right here. So it'll go ahead and analyze out the text from the uploaded document. So you can see that it is extracting out the text right here. And now it says, now I have the full document content. Let me generate all the questions right here. And as that is done, you can see that it starts to go ahead and generate out the content. So you can see that it is laying out the section right here. It's compiling questions from the document, and you can see like how it is building the question bank, and you can see the process right here just like this. So it's compiling the questions from document right here, building the question bank. You can see the process right here. So you do need to go ahead and wait for a bit, and now you can see the questions right here just like this. So you got the multiple choice question, you got the fill in the blanks, you got the match the following, short answer, and you can see that it's compiling the questions, so it can be displayed as an interactive layout. So you can see that this is what you have. It's compiling the questions, so you need to go ahead and wait for a bit, and then you can see that this is what you have right here. You can see that it is quite interactive as well. So it says, what does Latin term placebo really mean right here? So you can go ahead and click right here just like this as well, and you can see which one is right and wrong. So you can see that it actually goes ahead and creates out an interactive quiz right here. So apart from that, you can see that it says here's your complete question bank based on a placebo document right here. So you don't really see the other components right here. That is because you need to click on fill in the blanks, and then you can type in and show the answer right here just like this. That's the match the following, which allows you to go ahead and select these out, as you can see right here. Then you got short answer, where you can show the model answer right here, and then you can show the long answer right here just like this as well. So this is basically how you can go ahead and then generate out different type of questions based on the content that you have uploaded in Claude.ai. So I hope you guys learn something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.